Today we're checking out these powered heated mirrors with LED turn signals and puddle lights in textured black for the 2007 to 2014 F-150s. If you want better visibility, a cleaner look, and an upgraded function, then these mirrors are definitely worth checking out. These mirrors combine utility and style in a complete package. This heated glass is going to keep vision clear by cutting through fog, ice, and condensation, which really matters when that temperature drops or during wet weather. The integrated LED turn signal on the back of the mirror housing is going to help signal to the other drivers around you when you want to turn or switch lanes, which is especially useful if you're towing or in heavy traffic where you might go unseen. In addition to the LED turn signals, there's also this puddle light that's right here underneath the mirror that subtly illuminates the ground near the door, which is handy for seeing obstacles or just making sure you stay safe when you're getting in the car at night. They're also going to retain the power adjustability for the mirror positioning, allowing you to fine-tune your visibility from the comfort of your cab. The texture black finish adds this nice rugged style and resists road grime and exposure better than other glossy mirrors would. These mirrors are built with durable ABS housings and finished in this texture black to handle weather, chips, and prolonged exposure to the sun. The seals around the LEDs and the glass elements are going to help protect against moisture intrusion and vibration from everyday use. The wiring and connector setups are designed for direct fitment using the factory mirror brackets and the existing wiring harness, so installation is clean without any major modifications. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that upper $200 price range for a pair of both mirrors. For mirrors that have that heated functionality with LED technology for your signals and your puddle lights, these are a really great value at a price that's hard to beat. Alright, when it comes to the installation on this, it's going to be rated a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 1 hour or less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with a video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Today's install, we used a 3/8 Milwaukee impact gun, a 90-degree pick to get the panel the little plastic piece by the door handle off, pair of pliers just in case you need it for getting the connectors back out, 3-inch extension, a 6mm 3/8 for the bottom bolts, and 11 for the bolts that were, or the nuts that were holding on the mirror, and the 8mm that hold on to the door panel by the grip handle and the door handle. Alright, so today we're replacing tow mirrors, putting on these heated power LED turn signal regular mirrors. We'll take our 8mm, this one goes in that same exact spot. They're all different sizes. Another 7mm right here. And then you have 2 6mm at the very bottom. Now once that's done, then the door panel should just pop off. Slide it up and out. You have 2 connectors on the inside that you're going to get off. Actually, you don't have to. You can just leave it hanging because you're not going to go anywhere near that part. This plastic piece that's right here, there's a connector right here. Take that out. And then 11mm sockets for the actual bolts. And that mirror should pop right out. Just like that. Now, we're literally just gonna put it in reverse order. Those nuts right here. Make sure you connect your connector back in. If it's shoved in there, you just take needle nose pliers, pull it out, and then it should go right back in. Back and click. Put this plastic cover piece back on. And then we're just gonna put the door panel back on. And line it back up. Snaps back in. 210 or 2/6s. Your 2/8s. And then your little panel. Just kind of snaps back in. Your little cover. And just like that, they're all back together.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the power heated mirrors with LED turn signals and puddle lights in texture black for the 2007 to 2014 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.